Hi guys, Home Appliances Advisor presents the difference between Lean Six Sigma and Six Sigma. Six Sigma was developed with a very specific goal: reduce variation and defect rates in production processes through statistical analysis. To do this, Six Sigma uses one of two approaches, either the DMAIC or the DMADV method. The Lean method is less focused entirely on manufacturing, but often shapes every facet of a business. Lean Six Sigma combines these two approaches, which creates a powerful toolkit for addressing waste reduction. Lean Six Sigma is a perfect fit for companies looking to streamline their processes and offer as much value to the customer as possible. The phased thinking and clear roadmap provided by the DMAIC method can be a valuable tool when applied to any business case, not just defect prevention as in traditional Six Sigma methodology. As the line between Lean and Six Sigma continues to blur, entirely new methods and unique philosophies are bound to emerge. Experts that can help companies manage these intricate refinements will define the next great innovation in Six Sigma thinking. Thank you for watching video. Please like, subscribe, comments and share. Prepared by Mohan Chandra Papane.